Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Crochet Shop by Nano. In this tutorial I will show you how to crochet beautiful stitch. In this tutorial I use back yarn. You can use any selected size yarn. Suitable crochet hook, I will use 7 millimeters. Measuring tape, scissors and yarn needle. First, take the yarn and make a slip knot, then chain multiples of 3. Measure your chains like this. Then, after you check your numbers, skip 3 chain stitches from the hook. In the next stitch, make 1 double crochet stitch, then chain 1, another 1 double crochet stitch in the same chain stitch to make 1 V-stitch. Now you finished the first V-stitch. Repeat this. Then skip 2 chain stitches. In the next stitch, make another 1 V-stitch, 1 double crochet stitch, then chain 1, another 1 double crochet stitch, all in the same chain stitch. Repeat this. Repeat this to finish the first row. Skip 2 chain stitches. In the next stitch, make 1 V-stitch. Then skip 2 chain stitches. In the next stitch, make 1 V-stitch. Repeat this to finish this row. After you finished all chain stitches, in the last you will find 2 chain stitches. Skip 1 chain stitch. In the last one, make 1 double crochet stitch. Now you finished the first row. To make the second row, chain 1, turn your work. Before the first V-stitch space, make 1 single crochet stitch. Then chain 2. Then after the V-stitch space, make 1 single crochet stitch between V-stitches space. Repeat this, chain 2. Then between the next 2 V-stitches space, make 1 single crochet stitch. Repeat this to finish the second row. After you finished all spaces in the last, you will find chain 3 space. In the last space, make 1 single crochet stitch to finish the second row. After you finished the last double crochet space by making 1 single crochet stitch to make the third row, chain 2, turn your work in the first chain 2 space, make 1 V-stitch, repeat this. Repeat this in the next chain 2 spaces to finish the third row. After you finished all chain 2 spaces, in the last you will find chain 1 space. In the last chain 1 space, make 1 double crochet stitch to finish the third row. Now start to repeat from the row number 2 by chain 1, turn your work and start to repeat the second row. Then after you finish the second row, start to repeat the third row and repeat this to finish your blanket size as you like to your selected baby blanket size. After you repeat the second and the third row, start to measure like this in this tutorial and weaving ends with the yarn needle. Thank you for watching. If you like it, gives me big thumbs up to see more. See you in the next video. Bye bye.